I have to slide to the next one. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, we learn how to play the guitar and try to learn with other songs as well, specifically made for beginners. And if you want to develop your skills, we keep on learning. I'm not yet a pro. We keep on learning. There's always something new to learn. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We're going to continue with our tutorial. When we're doing the Adonai, I didn't take you through the solos, so I want to take my time and do the solos. So let's pay attention to that one. So let's try and stick to the same key, E flat. Sorry, E. So I only taught the first part. La, mi, re, do, so, do, la, ti, la, do, ti, so, la, so. So you can also get it on this side. It starts with la. La, mi, re, do, la, ti, la, do, ti, so, la. And we need to also try and play around the whole fret. I'm still learning that one, and I'll teach you my technique. When I have this do note here, I can start it as the highest octave for me. So that one will lead me to the lower octave do on the fourth string. So I have a tutorial on how to play solos on all keys, so you can take a look at that one. So la, mi, re, do, ti, do, la, ti, so the same way. So this one as well, I think this one will lead us to the first string. Yeah, so from the rising of the sun, mi, so, la, 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 so, mi, re, do, so, do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do, la, la, do, ti, so, la. So let's go again. So if you realize, I was able to play the whole song here, but if I come and I start on the second string, I have to slide to the next one. So I also had tutorials on the hammering. I think it was a shot and the slide. So for the slide will be very efficient when you are playing in this parts and you want to move from so to la. So then I'll hammer. Oh, I intended to use the pick. Where did I leave it? Yeah. So it's easier with the pick. So that's it. You can be creating your own melody around this swing song, just to especially if you're a lead guitarist and they are singing the song, you don't have to be playing the actual song, you just have to be moving around it. Yeah, so thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not subscribed. Yeah, and hit the notification button so that you'll be the first person to see my videos. See you next time.